dear students, welcome to the offline class. Last class we discussed the exercise 11.3 in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. You have to take, I solved the, here second main, I gave the homework and I solved the third and fourth main also. Now you have to take the fifth. Here they are given. If secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here also find the value of a. You should take the question what they are given. Here secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree they are given. Okay, here cosecant they are given, and you know already secant will be in the complementary angle. Secant is a cosecant. I will write cosecant 90 degree minus angle, what is there here? 4a. Next, what I am writing here? Cosecant a minus 20 degree as it is, I will write. In this, see, I am converted secant will be cosec in the complementary angle. Means, I will see here, you have to see, here cosec will be same is there, I will get will cancel. Why? Because same is there means here equal to here means you have to cancel both sides. Next, what is there here? I will write 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Here just find the value of a. Where is there a here? Here and I will take 90 degree. Here see minus 20 degree it will be plus 20 degree is equal to a minus 4a will be plus 4a. Next, what doing here? Here see 90 degree plus 20 degree it is a 110 degree is equal to a plus 4a it is a 5a. 5a is a 110. I need a means what doing here? I will write here a is equal to 110 degree by 5. Here do the division. 110 by 5 is the value. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Here a value how much? 22 degree. Here a value 22 degree. Here a angle will be acute angle. Here find the value of a set. That's why I am written a value will be 22 degree. I am explaining again. Secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. Here secant is a complementary angle means cosec 90 degree minus here angle what is the 4a. I am written here 4a. Here cosec as it is I am written. I said here x equal to is there means both here same trigonometry ratios have means we have to cancel both. Remaining what is there? You have to write as it is 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Here 90, here 20 degree means here minus 20 will be plus 20 and here a minus 4a will be plus 4a. 90 minus 90 plus 20 110. A plus 4a 5a. Here 5a 110. What about a value? Divide, you will get 22 degree a value. Next take the question here. Sixth question. If a, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Here show that means here is the answer cos A by 2. Take sixth question. What is there here? You should write the ABC are interior angles. What they are given, you should write given A, B and C are interior angles. Interior angles of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Next, what you know here? Interior angles means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles of a triangle is a 180 degree. Okay. Here for this we need in the sign B plus C by 2. Okay. You have to divide for both sides. Divide both sides by 2. Means if you are dividing means A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. I will dividing in this equation by 2. Okay. I will write for this here means 2 ones are cancel here. 2 nines are 18 here 90 degree. Means I will write for this A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Here I need b plus c by 2. I will write here b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. I will write b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. Here next I need in this question what is the question? Sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Taking on both side, what you taking here? Sin taking means sin 90 will be cos. In the show that question what is that? We need cos. That's why I am taking here, taking sin on both side, sin. If your sin taking means sin of b plus c by 2 is equal to sin of 90 degree minus a by 2. Sin 90 minus a by 2 is the complementary angle. What is there? Cos a by 2. Sin b plus c by 2 is the cos a by 2. It is the show that or prove that answer. Okay. Here just whatever they are given you should write. Given what they are given, ABC are the interior angles and the triangle ABC, you know interior angle it is a 180 degree. Area of a triangle or three sides of a triangle is 180 degree. You know a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. Here in that show that question we need a b plus c. That's why I am taking here divide both side by 2. A plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. You will get 90 degree. Here I am separating a by 2 and also b plus c by 2. Why? Because for this side I need sin and here I need cos. That's why I am taken like this 90 degree minus a by 2. Here taking on both sides sin. If you taking sin means here sin 90 will be cos. Okay. Next 7th question. Express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Here whatever they are given, you know already. If sin 90 means you will get cos. Just you should write here complementary angles. For 7th one you have to take homework. Here sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree is there. You have to write sin 90 minus 67 and also cos 90 minus 75. You will get the answer cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. Just you have to write the value whatever they are given. Okay, take it homework for 7th question. Now exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. In that first question you have to take express the trigonometric ratios in sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Here they are given sin, secant, tan. In terms of cot you should write. Here is the formulas, you know, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. These are the trigonometric ratios. In the sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. In terms of sin, you have to write a cot. I will write here sin A. Okay. Sin A, you know already sin inverse is 1 by cosec A. Sin inverse is 1 by cosec A. I will write for cosec will be 1 by square root of cosecant square A. Cosec of cosecant square A. Why? Because square and square root will get cancelled. You will get cosec A. That's why I am taken here cosecant square A. Square root of cosecant square A. Here is the formula. What is there? You know already. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. It is the trigonometric formula. Here I will write cosecant square A will be 1 by square root of what is there? 1 plus cot square A. In terms of cosec I will write 1 plus cot square A. Next secant A. Convert secant A to the cot A. Means I will write this will be secant square A. Why? Because square root will get cancelled. That's why I am taking here. What is the formula secant square A? Here also for 1 plus tan square A. Otherwise 1 plus I will write for this 1 plus secant square A will be 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is the secant square A. I will write here for this 1 by 1 plus tan square A. 1 by not is there, directly you should take 1 plus tan square A. For this in terms of cot we need, that's why I am taking here 1 by square root of 1 plus tan is the inverse of cot, 1 by cot square A. Next I will take for this, you have to take the cross multiplication. You will get, I will write here cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Okay. Next what is there here? I will write as it is. For square root will be both sides, for numerator and denominator. I will take for square root cot square A plus 1 whole divided by, here see square root of cot square A. Square root will get cancelled. You will get the answer square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A. Okay. In this question, here they are given sin is a convert to the cot. Is there or not cot? And next secant is a convert to the cot. Next what is there? For tan is a convert cot means you know already. Tan is the inverse of cot. Tan A is the 1 by cot. Here we are converted directly for third question. Tan A is the 1 by cot. Okay, like that only. Second main also write all the other trigonometry ratios, angle A in terms of secant A. Means you have to solve sin is a secant, cos also secant, cosecant secant, tan secant, cot secant. You have to convert. Second main also take it the homework. Okay, thank you.